Hello, students and parents, and welcome to a brand new school year, and welcome to online learning. I am Cheryl Wortham. I am a native of Granville County. I have 3 wonderful grown children and 4 adorable grandchildren. I have worked in education for Granville County Public Schools for 24 wonderful years, and I absolutely love it. I earned my BS degree from Fayetteville State University. I will be the American History teacher for Granville Online and Granville Academy. I love teaching history because it is one of my favorite subjects because we get to explore many different topics throughout the semester. I look forward to learning new things with you all this year. The course can be found in the Canvas Learning Management System. Within Canvas, you will find important announcements from me each day, links to assignments, and all the materials and resources that you will need to be successful this semester. My contact information is also found within the Canvas page. One of the easiest ways to contact me is via email, and my email address is worthamc@gcs.k12.nc.us. I look forward to meeting and getting to know each and every one of you. If you have any questions or concerns, you may reach out to me at any point in time. I constantly check my email throughout the day. And I look forward to having a successful semester. Take care until we meet again.